Okay, so this is to make a heat infusion for soap making with paprika. I bought the smoked, that's what I've always bought, and I've pulled good color off this. The biggest thing when buying paprika is to make sure it's fresh and it's been packed recently. If you go to like one of them Whole Foods places, just make sure it doesn't look brown, or if it's sitting in those bins, that it moves pretty quick. So this is 5 ounces of paprika. I'm gonna infuse the whole bag. What else you're gonna need? You're gonna need your scale and a crock pot. And this little crock pot has 3 settings. Some only have on and warm, I believe, or high or low. So this one's got 3 settings. You need a light color olive oil, or you could use a different oil to infuse in. Something to strain at the end, and some jars to put your infusion in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do 20% of plant material and the rest, the 80% in olive oil. And I'm going to heat it up in this crock pot. It'll come to a boil, and I'm going to heat it up about an hour and a half, 2 hours, and just kind of watch it, scrape the sides, and stir it every once in a while with a rubber spatula.